So today I actually got in the CLDream spray mop, and I have been on the hunt for the best spray mop. So hopefully this is it. Let's find out. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to unbox this. We're going to put it together and then we're going to try it out. There are instructions on the box on how to put it together. So I will be following these directions. So here's what you get inside of the box. So it looks like I have one mop head that has like a microfiber, and then of course the frilly stuff on the outside. I have another one that has, gonna be honest, it's like a carpet material. And then attached already is the base with the same carpet material. And it's a Velcro type of material. So to me, this tells me that we should be able to go and use any other replacement pad as long as it works off of Velcro. So those are our three pads that we have. We have a paddle that has these rubber brushes. So I'm going to assume that if we wanted to remove like hair or something from our pads, that's what this is good for. And I like when products have this, so this this concave thing, so that way we can actually put it, we should be able to snap it right onto, yep, right onto our base. So while I'm holding this, it looks like we have a handle. This is going to be where we're going to be spraying it from. We have the middle tube and we have our container. So I have really been on the search for one of these because, to be fair, every time that I've tried to get one, it just stopped working. So let's go ahead and put this together. So all of these are numbered with what they are. So we're going to assemble this to this. Perfect. So there's actually a little hole right here, and this white piece is, oh, it is loud. I'm so sorry. But this white piece goes to the bottom. So you just want to push it in till it locks like this. This is B. And we're going to basically do the same thing here. Line up your circles. I'll show you on this one since I didn't show you on the last one. Line up your circles, press it in. Until you hear a click. And I heard a click. This is already looking really good. We're supposed to go and attach our base. Let me see if it goes in a certain way. It actually doesn't show any specific way it's supposed to go. So I'm going to put it down on the ground. I have everything lined up. I'm just going to go and push it down until you hear the little pop. And it's done. All right, so now that it's assembled, not bad, right? It looks pretty good. Remove cap from the hardwood floor cleaner. I'm not sure where the cap is. So it's easy just to pull it out. So that's a little bit concerning. This has just a regular screw. So it does not come with cleaning solution. You need to go and put cleaning solution in it. I have laminate floors, so I actually brought some of mine. Let's see how easy this is. So, all right, well, it's not dripping out, so that's good. So I'm just going to put it in, and I pushed it down, and I can see that we had some air bubbles coming up. So that must mean that it's done. So I'm going to go ahead, take you over to my dirtiest area, and we're going to go and test this guy out. Something I'm noticing here is the spray. The spray is coming out rather wide. So the pad itself, I'm going to move this. So the pad itself, on some other mops that I've used, it was really hard to push it. And I thought that it was because it was getting a better grip, but I'm not sure. This is sliding fairly nicely. This isn't bad. Now, if you want to go and get replacement pads for this, then you can always get them. You can always use other replacement pads for other systems as well. So the dirt that I have is right here and over here by my trash can. So obviously I think it's going to matter what you're putting inside of the mop, but at the same time, how good are the pads themselves? And right now, I have to say this might be my new mop. Is it worth the money? I think so.